What's up? It's Mark. One of my friends, Scott Rooney, he does a lot of restroom reviews on different restaurants and rest stops. So here's my restroom review. It's pretty well lit. Bathrooms are clean, pretty clean. Doesn't sneak in here. There's no music. Let's see. Please keep these paper towels here for catching liquid soap. Okay. I wonder if there's any. Yeah, there's paper towels in there. Okay, I'll give it about a 4 out of 5 stars, just because, if you have liquid soap dripping onto the sink and you need a gross ass paper towel to catch it, that I'm gonna have to take off a star. But they do have wheelchair access. You get to press the button, door opens up. Let's try it. Even though I'm not handicapped, gotta see if it works. So that was my review of the restroom. Got some foreign people. I think they're speaking German. Oh, that bush is hella farted right there, dude. Alright, later.